السلام عليك يا رسول الله.
What statistical or mathematical evidence can I provide to an atheist to convince them of God's existence? Mathematical, if you want to use it, first of all, Roger Penrose, world-renowned mathematician, says the probability of the universe coming into existence by pure chance is 0. That's from a mathematical expert. There are many mathematicians like that. There are those who've tried to postulate the idea that there is a possibility. Okay. But it is so negligent, which by the way is impossible, but even if we take this blind leap of faith, it's absurd. No human being ever takes a step knowing that the probability is 1/1,000,000,000 of a percent that this floor can collapse. Therefore, I'm not going to walk on it. You don't do that. Okay? So that's one. The evidence from its basic observation, as we say, from deductive logic is, I cannot exist without a predecessor. And this is what Bertrand Russell was asking, that since God created us, who created God? And if the argument goes forward and say there was a God who created this God, then I cannot stop. I have to go to infinity. And if I go to infinity, which I must, then no God can exist, and I cannot exist. Because there's an infinity of regression, and that's impossible. So by mathematical, logical conclusions, whatever created me was not waiting for a predecessor, and that has to be the ever-living, omnipotent, all-present being. Otherwise, this argument is completely nonsensical, and no one can poke a hole in this argument. It's something rational, a fitrah, that just sits in our hearts and we just know it, and there's just no way to cancel this. That's why Allah says, we are closer to you than a jugular vein.
إن ربكم الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يغشي الليل النهار يطلبه حثيثا والشمس والقمر والنجوم مسخرات بأمره ألا له الخلق والأمر تبارك الله رب العالمين.